Hey, all you viewers of Name Later, how we doing today? I know. I am so far behind the eight ball on this one, it's not even funny. It is long past time that King Tingle himself makes an appearance on the channel. Today, we're going to take a look at a first for the channel, our first ever venture into Ruddy Man Grooming Company, and that's his Moscow Morning. Now, unfortunately, this was a seasonal scent, and he's got it over on his web store. It's like a clearance item. They're kind of phasing it out for right now. So I'm really late in getting this out. King Tingle, I am so sorry, brother. All right. Now, for those of you who don't know, well, you can find them at www.ruddymangrooming.com. And sorry, guys, if you're familiar with them, skip ahead about a minute or so, because I really, truly like to give a little bit of info about the company before I get into the product and all the good stuff. Now, for everyone out there, Jimmy Atkins is the owner, but he really goes by King Tingle. I mean, just the way his product makes your beard feel, and the way it makes you feel, and everything else, just wow. Now, from everything I can tell, they basically got their start in 2017. They are made in the great country of the United States of America out of Western North Carolina. Now, there's not really much I can tell you about the man, seriously. Everybody knows how awesome he is. He is, a pastor. He's a guitar player. He's a Christian rocker. He's just one awesome dude. I've caught him on some Instagram live feeds, and he has been very, very inspirational. Just going from point A to point B, picking up fast food, and going on with his day. Now, I love the fact that one of the huge things that, is on his web store is, you're not ready till you're ready. And that just made me die laughing. He also, guys, I gotta tell you, I have never seen a sticker game this on point ever. Now, I've had various orders, so here's like a selection of what he sent. Just the Ruddy Man Grooming, the Ruddy Reveal, just Inspector Tingle. This one just scares me because I gotta watch where I put it. I don't want King Tingle looking at me all day long. That's just, wow. I mean, kind of like that. Little company one. Yeah, I thought I had another one in there. And, his work apron. He also does, some awesome stuff, the Ruddy Reveal. And there's some info on there if you want to take a screenshot and go check that out. Basically his business card with all his social media. All right, camera checked up. So, basically the big old card. It had to be ready. But what really hooked me and what really made me want to go back and buy, this is flat out my first, packing list from him. That little handwritten note right there. That made me want to go back and buy more and more and more. Now, I love the fact he's always running deals. He's always got specials going on. When I bought, it was buy this, get an oil free. And I think it's like April 14th when I'm filming this. This should be uploaded probably May 14th and May 15th it should be uploaded. Go check his site out. I think he's still running a half-off deal. But, okay, moving on with this. His stuff comes in a 1-ounce amber bottle with the eyedropper top, which perfectly okay with me, Now, like I said, it's going to run you $18 normally, but because it's a seasonal clear-out item, as of May 13th, when I wrote everything down for this video, it's currently on his web store at $10. Guys, that is a freaking steal. It really, truly is. I don't know if you can see it. This is the first of 2 bottles that I've bought of this. I have used this a lot. For a first exposure to Ruddy Man, hooked me forever. Now, the scent profile, and this gets me, Southern Sweet Tea. All right, anybody who's been below the Mason-Dixon line knows anybody down south drinks it sweet. You order it unsweet, they're probably going to hang you somewhere. Just saying. Sweet oranges, zesty lemonade, and hints of perfect spices. Now, it's a real medium scent strength. I mean, it lasts in my beard about 6 to 8 hours. It's not really overpowering, and yeah, it's just, God bless, it's awesome. The only way I can put it, it's like having sweet tea in your beard all day. I don't get Moscow, I get deep south in this. Sorry, Jimmy, I do. I get really deep south in this. And it just brings back great memories of being down there. Now, The carrier oils, and his little blend is fractionated coconut oil, Moroccan argan oil, golden jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, essential and fragrance oils. And this is the only thing that caught me, was it says spice, citrus, and sweet tea after that on his web store. So is that like the essential oils and fragrance oils you're trying to tell us about? I don't know. I mean, doesn't matter. It is phenomenal. It really softened up my beard. It really put a great smell in there for a long time. And there's just something about when you're wearing it, it gives you this uplifting feeling for most of the day. Hold on, I got a riot going on upstairs. Sorry, I'm trying to film this video early morning at a COVID riot in my house. So yeah, 3 kids quarantined for a while. Yay! Okay, now, as I usually do, for those of you who like to see the coloration of the oil, there you go. And it's not a lightweight oil, but I'd say it's more of a medium strength to me. It doesn't run everywhere and it doesn't like screw things up. Now, if you're unfamiliar with beard oil, totally cool. That's why we come to YouTube, right? We check out videos, we try to get educated on stuff and learn about new things. Beard oil has 3 incredibly great uses. I've already touched on one of them. Beard oil, yes, it's more for your skin underneath your beard than it is for your beard. I know, shocker, right? Beard oil for your skin. Well, your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep your beard growing out luscious, long, beautiful, not getting all bird's nesty dry and crackly and having you want to itch and scrape it off. Look, we're all basically in quarantine. Try this out. Go 48 hours without showering. Your head hair is going to become incredibly greasy. This is going to dry out and become bird's nesty, crackly, and you're going to want to shave it off. Your beard needs that nourishment, that hydration, that wonderful, just the vitamins, the minerals, all that crap getting in there to keep it great. Second great use of beard oil, I've already touched on it. It really helps soften up your beard. You really, truly don't want your better half getting all close, curling up next to a cactus, and you get highspin. Nobody wants that. The third great use is that scent profile of that beard oil. Seriously, guys, if you find one that works for you, it's phenomenal. This one I freaking love. Everyone in my house loves it except my better half, and trust me, I get in trouble every single day that ends in the letter Y, so I have yet to find a beard product that she truly likes. If I do, you're going to see it in everything, all right? But it's going to put that scent profile in there, and you're going to smell great. You're going to have that uplifting, wonderful feeling getting through your day. So there's 3 great uses. Now, how to apply it? Real simple. Like I said, you get whatever amount you need in that eyedropper top, all right? And here's a really, really good way to figure out if you're using way too much. After you apply it, run your hands just like this across your beard. If you have a greasy mess sitting on your palm, you've used way too much. Sorry, not COVID, cottonwood, and seasonal allergies. I only use about a quarter size, so I get it right in my hand, and you rub your hands together to really warm that oil up and activate that scent profile. And trust me, with this one, when you get that whiff of it, you're going to be like, yeah. You rub it into your beard all the way down to your skin, and you groom it out. That's how you apply it. It really is that simple. Now, here's my favorite part of the video, okay? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, whatever, down below in the comments section. I know, I'm late to Ruddy Man, but like I told, Jimmy in a private message, I may be late, but dang it, I'm making up for lost time. If you guys can see my order history, you know what I'm talking about. All right, have you used Ruddy Man before? Have you had any successes? Have you had any problems with it? Have you used Moscow Morning? Because like I said, it doesn't remind me of anything from Moscow. It really reminds me of a deep south, just incredible time at a friend's house. And you guys know what I'm talking about. If you've been down south and you go to your friend's house, you're basically family. That's all I'm saying. All right, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very grateful you chose this one. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, all right? I really want to know. Let's be constructive, let's give some good feedback, and let's see what I can implement into future videos. After you've done that, take a look right there. You're going to see a channel symbol popping up. Go click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and destroyed that, please, if you so choose, beat up the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this video, this channel uploads a brand new video. See, I screwed that up, but I'm going to leave that in there. Now, speaking of those wonderful videos, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick overview, look at, whatever you want to call it, at Ruddy Man Grooming Company's Moscow Morning. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today.